In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Base44 account in just a few simple steps. If you're ready to close your account and remove it from the platform, this quick guide will walk you through the exact process from start to finish. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, open Base44 and look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open your account options. Next, from the menu that appears, click on Account Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your account details and preferences. Once you're in Account Settings, look for the Delete Account option and click it. This is the step that starts the account removal process. After that, a confirmation box will appear on the screen. To finish the process, click Delete Account again in the confirmation box. This final click confirms that you want to permanently delete your Base44 account. And that's it. Your Base44 account is now deleted. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.